got. So here we go. Discount DVD Club. Oh snap! Look at all these goodies. My dog is so excited he's kissing me. We got some popcorn, guys. No, brownie. Last time he saw candy, he took off with it, so I can't bet him. Got some M&Ms for my honey and my kids. A bunch of candies. Anyways, let's get to the movies. Let's see this. So we got these movies. We got The Graduation Day. This is supposed to be low budget, so we'll figure that one out. Wrong Turn, Part 5 DVD copy. Awake, DVD copy. Blu-ray, I'm sorry. And another one, Amityville. So these are our Halloween box. And we're very happy that we got a bunch of movies. Thank you guys so much from the Discount DVD Club. I think we like the movies, right, babe?
Yes, I like them.
Awesome. Perfect.